Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about PayPal, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot recently on one of my other videos, and that is, how do you add money to PayPal? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add money into your PayPal? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe one of your vendors insists on you paying them through PayPal, but you're not sure how to get the funds into your PayPal. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and it's mostly handled here in the PayPal app. It's this blue and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my PayPal app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my PayPal. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add money into your PayPal, there's actually about 4 different options in order to do that. So I'm going to briefly go over all of them here on this video. And first, what you want to do in order to add money to your PayPal is you want to click on your PayPal balance. It's going to be here on the top left. Don't click on the transfer button, click on PayPal balance. Okay guys, so once you do that, it's going to give you some more options about adding money into your PayPal balance. The most common is going to be a transfer from your bank into PayPal or from your debit card into PayPal. But before we go over that, there's also 2 other options you can scroll down to see. So let me scroll down a little bit. Okay, so once you scroll down, you're going to see these options down here. So you can direct deposit. So that's if you're going to have your paychecks or your customer direct deposits you money, you can set that up here. If for some reason you have a paper check, you can go ahead and deposit the paper check here into your PayPal. And then lastly, if you have green cash, you can go to a store and then you can go ahead and pay at the store, and then they'll make the deposit into your PayPal. Those usually go through in about 15 minutes. So in order for that to work, you just click on this button, add cash at stores. Okay, next they do let you know the daily limit is $1,500 with a monthly limit of $5,000. However, each transaction has a limit of $20 minimum up to $500. So in reality, if you want to deposit $1,500 in one day, you can do that, but it's going to be 3 separate transactions. Now, each transaction does have a fee attached to it. So if you go to, let's say, Walgreens, you get charged $3.95 for each transaction. So if you're depositing $1,500, it's going to be about $12 in order to do that. And basically all you're going to do is go ahead and choose the location that you want to deposit green cash at. So if we went to, let's say, Family Dollar, just click on there, and they let you know they're going to generate a barcode for you, but this is going to expire within 1 hour. So if you think that you're not going to be there within the hour, wait to generate this barcode by clicking on this blue button here at the bottom. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to get this barcode. You can go ahead and screenshot this barcode if you want, but again, it's going to expire within an hour. If it expires, you need to do that process again. And basically, you're just going to go to the register. A lot of times the folks aren't really familiar with this process. Just let them know they need to scan this barcode. Then it's going to pop up with how much you want to enter. So they'll type in the dollar amount. So let's say you had 200, and then you're going to have to pay their $4 fee as well. So make sure that you bring enough cash to cover that as well. Once you do that, be sure to keep your receipt just in case there's a problem with your deposit at the store. But like I said, it usually goes through in about 15 minutes. So that's the first way you can add money to your PayPal. Let me jump back over to my PayPal home screen. Okay, so here we are on the PayPal screen. In order to add money to PayPal, the most common way is you just want to click on this button, add money from bank or card. Next, you want to choose how much money you want to add into your PayPal. And this is going to be handled either through your debit card or an ACH transfer from your bank. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to add a little bit, and I'm going to click on next. Okay guys, so this is really important. So it automatically populates into the instant method. So this is going to be handled through a debit card. So they let me choose immediately from the debit cards that I have attached to my PayPal. They do let me know the balance would increase in my PayPal within seconds because it's going through the debit card network. Now, if you don't see the debit card you want to use, it's pretty easy. Just click on this link in an eligible debit card and then follow the steps to go ahead and add a new debit card that you would like to use to transfer money from your bank into your PayPal. Now, if you don't want to use your debit card for some reason and you're not in a hurry, you can do an ACH transfer. So let me close this out. Okay, so it says in seconds, but you want to click here in 3 to 5 days. Okay, so now it shows me the bank that's attached to my PayPal account. So I can do an ACH transfer and there's no fees for this. So if you don't want to use this bank, it's pretty easy to change. Just click on this blue change button, and then you would go ahead and connect a different bank to do this ACH transfer. Just follow the steps. But again, this is going to take 3 to 5 business days. So if you're in a hurry, you might want to use the debit card network, which is what I'm going to do today. So let me click on in seconds. Okay, next I'm going to choose my Chase debit card. Okay, now it gives me this confirmation screen to review. So we're using my Chase debit card to instant transfer and add money into my PayPal balance. And then there's no fees for this. So let me click on this blue add $1 now. Okay, immediately immediately I get this pop-up confirming that I did add money to my PayPal, $1, and that money is available in my PayPal immediately to use. So if I need to pay my vendor or somebody through PayPal, I can go ahead and use those funds right away. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add money into your PayPal, those are the easiest ways I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.